you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
There you go. What's going on, man? Yes, sir.
Hey, look.
Yeah, I thought it was the same.
For the outside, it feel a whole lot different.
I thought it was the same the whole time. No.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know what. No.
That's why I say you better get your ass over here.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Hey, at the Bam ain't here, goddamn, I don't know what he called this one.
Hey, he gonna do it though. He gonna do it though.
That's right. We gotta represent.
Man, shit.
Let me get one for you.
Hey, how did him boy? I'm telling you. Shit, he got enough over there for everybody. There you go. Yeah, that's the ticket.
Let's take a ride, don't you say shit, just get inside. It's time to take your ass on another kind of trip, cause you can't have to hop if you don't have to hit. Grab your flat with the extra clip and put your guys in hit the switch. We're going to a place where everybody kick it, get out the ticket. Ain't no blood, ain't no gripping, ain't no punk ass nigga said tripping. Everybody got a stack and it ain't no crack, and it really don't matter if you're white. And I know that I can bring you if you can't take the heat. Get your ass out the kitchen. We on a mission. You don't understand about Wonder Woman.
Ooh, that look good back there. Yeah.
Get on down here.
Yeah.
Hey, look, that's it right there.
Yeah.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.